Today we talk about how can you enable music on your start work to app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this line down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You can hear to music. Just click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here music enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.